nasa biyahe kami, papunta kami Kitchener. Kasi doon kami mag-New Year sa Cambridge. Magkatabi lang yung Cambridge and Kitchener. Nakakamiss sa New Year ng Pinas. Mag-check-in muna kami. Tapos punta na kami sa simbahan. Kisha, may snow!
Hi guys, I'm sorry you didn't see me in the highway vlog because I was asleep and they just woke up and now we're here at the hotel.
I'm not paying attention. Sinabi sa amin yung room number. Nakalimutan ko.
Anong floor?
So, kakausapin ulit namin yung receptionist.
Anong floor?
Buti Pinoy.
Anong floor?
6th floor daw, diba? Sabi mo, hindi ko rin narinig. So guys!
Wow! There's two beds! I get to pick me bed!
She get to pick a bed now.
Good afternoon, Karen.
Good afternoon, Karen!
Where's the closet? Let's see.
Nay, ito yung lagay ng ano.
Oh, your coat.
Wow! Dad, may nakalagay na.
Oh, talaga naman.
Wow, look at the washroom! Excuse me.
Oh!
Don't stay long because there's a toilet facing at you.
Oh, you have a shower.
We have this shower. And you can walk! I'm gonna take a shower here later.
Saan yung mini fridge? Pala, and microwave. Gusto mo coffee, Dad?
Maybe underneath. Yeah, please coffee.
Oh, ayan.
That's the mini fridge. Problem is wala naman tayo lalagay. And the microwave. Oh, that's a bowl. Sa kabila.
Dito mo ilagay yung mga kayamanan mo.
Dito natin ilagay yung gold bars. Mamaya. Oh, then there's a microwave. So mamaya magtongkatsu na lang tayo. Pinaka-adding na ng
Ramen.
Ramen
Noodles.
Then we have coffee.
May kape ba?
Yeah, may provide coffee.
Ano to? Complimentary.
Complimentary coffee.
Takot gumastos.
What are
I'm gonna unpack my clothes. And then the food. And we could put our bags.
Oh, that's animal cruelty.
Hi! Yeah, I've got these stuffed toys here. And as you can see, this is my accessory bag. And it has all my accessories that I'm gonna use.
Like what?
Like rings. Like what Santa gave me.
Timpla mo na kaming coffee.
Hello guys, so as you can see, if you want the room tour, go ahead. So this is my mom and dad's bed, and this is my bed. Yeah, and as you can see, this is our closet. We have two closets, and they are unpacked already.
Why do you have crayons there?
Huh?
What are those things?
And in case I want to draw, and in case I get bored, and then here's my stuffy. She's called Mina, and then my luggage is under here.
Oh, you kept your luggage there.
Yeah.
Sobrang prepared ng batang to.
Right.
Coffee kami saglit dito sa hotel. Tapos, punta na kaming simbahan. Lapit lang yung simbahan dito, Dad, no?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Sunday kasi ngayon, December 31st. Tapos yun, after nun, diretso na kami sa Cambridge. Right now, nasa Kitchener kami. So, mga siguro 15 minutes, Cambridge na kami.
Snow. So this is my favorite season, and I do like about snowing. That's all. Bye! Happy New Year!
So, wala kaming white Christmas, pero meron kaming white New Year. Malamig ba?
Wala akong winter jacket.
Mag-winter jacket ka nga.
It's too late.
Sige na.
Hi guys, so now let's celebrate the New Year. Woohoo! And let's celebrate. Come on. Okay, everyone. Today is New Year's Day in Canada. So, since there are no fireworks outside, we will just watch a little video. And my dad is just searching for the video of fireworks. So we can see the actual fireworks in 2024. So let's start. Strangers on. Have you already found a video?
Not yet.
Okay, my dad is finding a video. Trust me now. Now we're about to have the fireworks. Woohoo! Yay! It's 2024. It's 2024. Okay, here's the video. Is everyone ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have the fireworks. Kiss me, baby.
Kiss me.
Kiss me, baby.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Happy New Year!
One, two, three.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ang ano niya lang sipon.
Party talaga si girl.
Ako si Mr. Strawberry. Hoy, 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 hoy.